If you love cooking comfort food, baking bread, or just want one pot that does everything, this video is for you. Today, I'm reviewing this enameled cast iron Dutch oven, and I'll tell you exactly what it does well and whether it is worth adding to your kitchen. Right out of the box, this Dutch oven feels solid and well built. It has a heavy-duty cast iron core with a smooth, glossy enamel finish that not only looks great but also feels incredibly durable. This is the kind of cookware that's clearly designed to last for years, not just a few months. The cast iron core gives you that long-lasting durability you want, and it's coated with a triple layer food-grade enamel glaze. This helps prevent chipping, dulling, and fading. That enamel coating also means no seasoning is required, which is a huge plus. One of the biggest reasons people choose cast iron is heat performance, and this one delivers. It distributes heat evenly and retains warmth for a long time, which is perfect for slow cooking, soups, and stews. The tight-fitting lid has these little raised bumps on the inside that promote condensation. Basically, moisture drips back onto your food as it cooks, naturally basting everything and keeping it juicy. This works incredibly well for bread baking and roasts. Cooking with this is surprisingly easy. The smooth enamel surface helps prevent sticking so you can cook with less oil. Cleanup is simple too most of the time. Warm water and a soft cloth are all you need. This Dutch oven is also extremely versatile. It works on gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops, and it's oven safe for roasting and baking. You can use it for soups, stews, sourdough bread, or even serve straight from the pot at the table. It also comes in a range of beautiful colors to match any kitchen style. So, who is this for? It's perfect if you love home-cooked one-pot meals, if you bake bread, or if you just want durable cookware that's easy to clean and looks great. Overall, this enameled cast iron Dutch oven checks all the boxes: durability, even heating, and versatility. It's a solid choice whether you're just getting into cast iron or upgrading a kitchen. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to check it out, the link is down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. I'll see you then.